Sairam. Now we are in the chapter 15 and part 5 video. That is the last video of the chapter 15. Okay. So far we have seen how to, up to 4 we have covered. That is to create the JavaScript to delete a particular row of a grid. Okay. We have created the JavaScript part. Yet the include file part yet to be done. That's what we are going to see in this particular video. Okay. Okay. Add JavaScript to call delete JavaScript function in the include PHP. Okay. That's what we are doing. Okay. Fine. To do that one, we need to see certain things. Okay. First of all, let me go to the ease up folder. Okay. From there, I need to get some file. Just a minute, I'll show you. So I'll go to the ESA folder, open it. Under the ESA folder, there is a folder called delete function JavaScript. Okay. There is a JavaScript, folder is there called delete function JavaScript. Under there, there is a text file, delete function JavaScript txt. Okay. So let us open that one. I'm just seeing the preview of it. Okay. Now I'll make a copy of this particular function. Okay. Button delete include FNS. Okay. Copy. And I'm going to paste that in the include file, which I already did. Okay. Just to showcase you. Okay. This is the function button delete include FNS. And the parameter is PID. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change a few parameters. For example, the button delete. BTN delete is there. See, button delete is the name of the button. Let me show that. Okay. So here the button delete is there. So button delete is the name of the button. When you click on that, the particular row has to be deleted. This is the purpose we are working on. Okay. So when I click on this particular, see what happened is I'll show in the UI. When I click on this particular button, delete button, the function is executed and the cursor comes to here. Let me show. Okay. And this particular function is executed. So let us check that one, what really happens. Okay. But before that, we will try to complete this. Okay, button delete is here. Now, where do the summon comes from? So we need to change this summon. See, what actually we are trying to do is, this is PID. PID is nothing but the employee ID passed here as a parameter. So I'm getting the PID. Okay, that PID is sliced. Sliced means breaking that PID till 7th character. Till 7th character, why? I'll show you what happens really. Let me check. Inspect. Of course, already we are in the inspect only, but still. So I need to go to the button, TDL button delete. Okay. So what is the button name? So here, this is the button ID, BTN delete 12. So 12 is the identity for the row. Okay, all the elements of this particular row will have same identity. For example, if you take employee name, you will have 12. Everything. And the employee ID, you will have 12. Okay. So what I need to know is from the button delete value, I need to take only the 12 part. Okay. I need to take only the 12 part. That is what I'm doing here. So the slice part, what it does, it truncates the first 7 characters and takes the value of the 12 and put it in the LID. Okay. Now, document get element by ID, employee ID plus LID. What is this LID? Is 12. So employee ID plus 12 is the value of the employee ID. And that ID is based on that ID, the value is taken and assigned to the employee ID variable. And this variable is passed into the button delete function. Okay, this is what really happening in this particular function. Okay, even you need not want to type this function, you can just copy from there and put it here. Only thing that you need to keep in mind, the value of this 7, the 7, when you are working on the different grid, okay, in that grid, you will have a different delete button or delete, you can have different name also, okay, and based on that name, the character may vary, okay. So the length of the character may vary. It can be 7 or 8, 9, whatever, based on the name of the particular button. So to make it understand that, I'm trying to explain what really happens. Okay. And this is the JavaScript function which we have wrote in the previous video. And that JavaScript function is getting called from here. So the employee ID is passed as a parameter and that goes on and get deleted. That's what really happens. Okay. Now your next question. What for this if? What really it does? Okay. So confirm is a command of JavaScript where it gets a confirmation from the user whether need to be deleted. You click on the delete button, knowingly or unknowingly. If it is knowingly deleted, that means you want to delete that. If you click it unknowingly, then it gives an alert, are you going to delete it? Want to delete, please confirm. So if you click OK only, that will be deleted. If you click cancel, it won't get deleted. That means this particular if condition will not allow the control of the program come into this commands, okay, till you give OK. So that we are going to see now, okay, that we are going to see now. Let me click. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the delete button. Okay, now the cursor comes here, okay. So what is the employee ID? Let me check the employee ID. So employee ID is DT and delete 12. Okay, fine. So that's the ID. Okay, fine. Now I'll put F10, see what happens. It has want to delete, please confirm. If I give OK, the cursor will go inside the loop. If I give cancel, let me click on the cancel. What happened? The cursor doesn't go into this particular row at all. Directly it jumps to the end and the function is over. So with that, the function get over. So nothing will happen. It not got deleted. Why? Because you are not given OK. So now let me click on OK. What we will see what happens. When I click on delete button, again the cursor controls, the breakpoint comes. Now I'll put F10. Okay. Want to delete, please confirm. Okay, I'll click OK. Now the cursor comes into this particular row. So let us see what happens. So first of all, what is in PID? In the PID, button delete 12 is there. Okay. When I click F10, what is in the LID? LID 12 is there. Okay. Now what happened? Employee ID plus 12. That is the employee ID. I need to get the employee ID value. Okay. That's what I am trying to do. Okay. So now I am click F10. So what is employee ID? Employee ID is 30. So let me check whether the employee ID is 30. That we will do that one. So I'll open the same window in the next tab for checking purpose. Okay. I'll click on the inspect. So the employee ID 12, what is the value? 30. So that means it is correct. It has given the correct information. Now the employee ID is 30. This particular parameter is passed. Now let us go into this particular function. If you want to go into this particular function, there are two ways. One, you can give a breakpoint to this particular function. So how to do that one? Control F. button delete function. Okay, you can search that one. Here it is. Sorry. Here it is. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'll click on the breakpoint. I need not want this breakpoint. Okay. And I'll put a breakpoint in the JavaScript also. Okay. So let me try. I'll put F8. So the cursor comes here and the parameter is executed. Okay. Now we could see it is got dated. Employee table deleted. Okay. All right. So the ID deleted is also specified. What ID is got deleted? The ID 30 is got deleted. That's what the information is. So, okay, done. Now let me click on this. The employee table deleted. Okay. So that's about this one. So that is done. So currently no employee, all the information has been deleted. Okay. So that in this way, the delete button is working fine. So hope you understand this particular process. So good. We will see you in the next video. That would be editing a particular row, okay, particular employee. That would be that part. Hopefully, we'll continue. Until then, take care. Bye.